Hi there, it's Suzanne hopping in here today to share this adorable little project with you. It's the Bunny in a Pot pop-up cards. So we've got 3 projects for you, and I'm going to feature one that's the most complicated one to assemble. These cards are super cute when they're closed and even cuter when they're opened. So let's have a quick look at the supplies you're going to need. It's pretty simple. I really like glue dots because they're a bit forgiving, and some tweezers sometimes to put on small pieces, but I found I didn't use them a whole lot with this. And a bone folder is always a good idea to just burnish down those score lines, and then make sure you've got all your bits and pieces. And this is a print and cut project. If you want to, you could leave all the extra little pieces blank, but I really like them printed. I'm going to speed up all the assembly videos so you're not bored. And the first thing is fold up the pot and fold it both ways and burnish it down because it needs to be pretty flexible. Then you can add the greenery to the carrots. Do it for both pieces. Then you can pop them on the top of the pot. Attach them so a little bit of the carrot shows above the top of the pot. And for the second piece, same thing, but you want to add it to the inside of the pot. And then there's another little piece of greenery that you can add to the back side of the carrots. Then we're going to fold up the bunny. There's 3 folds in the base. Do all of them. And I like to flip them around too and burnish them going in the other direction because they have to be pretty flexible too. Once you have that done, you can adhere the other layers behind the main bunny. Just like that. And now you can layer up that big carrot. Just like that. Now work out where you want the carrot to lie. And I've used some 3D adhesive squares on the back of the arms just to give the whole project a little bit of dimension. And now it's time to put Bunny in his pot. And the middle score is going to go on the score of the pot. And I put a couple of glue dots right near the fold. Center that fold in the center of the pot fold and close the pot. When you open it up, it should stick in place, and then you can flip the bunny over and put a couple of glue dots right near the fold at the back. And then stand the bunny up and rub it down. Apply a couple of glue dots right near the tip of the ears of the bunny so that the front and the back stick together. Now you can go back and put some extra glue dots on the base, but be careful. Sometimes if you get too much glue on there and it's not positioned quite right, the card won't open and close properly. So if you stick to glue dots close to the fold, then it will be safer. And the last step is to add in your little cut and print designs. Now, like I say, you can not print those, but cut them out and then add your own lettering or your own message. And there you have it. How cute is that? And these are all assembled basically the same. They're layered and the bunny is assembled the same way. So have some fun, enjoy the project, and maybe we'll do some more soon. Happy Easter. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.